What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Mylez Jonez. We back at y'all with another video. It's been a minute, but it's cool. It happens. I'm not gonna lie. It happens. Life, it happens. You know what I'm saying? But this video is for people who are like new to YouTube or like new to content creation, and you just like feel like you're a creative and you just want to get content out. One of the easiest one of the easiest ways you can like get content out, setting up your phone, bro, and just doing like face-to-face YouTube video, like do something like this. And the crazy thing is, bro, you don't have to post it. Like if you feel like you want to make content but you're scared to post it or you're hesitant to post it, you know what I'm saying, you can just get in the habit of you recording yourself talking, recording yourself doing yaps, recording yourself doing reviews on stuff, recording yourself showing people your interests, your hobbies, and things like that. And then over time you get to the point where it's like, dang, like, okay, cool, me standing in front of a camera, me talking to people, it isn't that hard because I do it to myself all the time. And then, bro, just post it. You know what I'm saying? Because there's so many creative people out here in the world, but they're not actually creating. You know, and I feel like one of the easiest ways to step into it is to like act like you're doing it and then do it. Because, you know, you got to put in the reps, you got to put them shots up, you got to practice, you know. And if you feel like you want to post, go ahead and post, bro. Like the world is going to judge you, but, bro, you don't have to do things, or you shouldn't do stuff with the mindset of, I hope somebody else likes it. If you like something, if you like doing something, bro, just do it, you know, and just keep putting stuff out, So if you want to get into like the creative space or like making content, start making videos, start recording yourself talking, set your phone up or just hold it, you know what I'm saying? And record like a 1-minute video, a 30-second clip, a 10-second clip, and just pay attention to how you say things, pay attention to, you know, how you pronounce words, how you enunciate syllables, how you know, try to make like cohesive statements and sentences, you know, like just focus on the small, minute things, and it'll also help you when you comes to like speaking in general, like talking to your friends, your parents, being at work, public speaking. Like you can see yourself in real time, how you communicate to other people, and you can like audit that. Like you can go back through and be like, dang, like when I start speaking on certain stuff, I talk fast, I talk slow. When I'm nervous, when I'm unsure of stuff, I tend to stutter or mumble, or I don't really project my voice well. But when you do stuff like this, it's easy for you to like look at it, take notes, and, you know, analyze it, transfer it over. Do what you got to do, and just like really just improve your speaking skills. So, and I don't know, content creation is just fun. Like once you get in the habit of just making content just to make it, you know, it just becomes a habit and you enjoy it. And then you also get to see like over time, like, dang, this is where I was last week in my life. This is where I was a month ago, a year ago. And really, you got to treat your content journey as like a digital journal. So you never run out of content. Because if you're one of those people who wants to start doing content, but you're not sure what topics to do it on, the easiest way for you to make content is to treat your life as content. Like whatever you do, you could be cooking, walking your dog, folding clothes, doing laundry, washing your car, doing homework. You can find content ideas anywhere, bro. Just make it simple. It doesn't have to be some crazy idea, some blockbuster idea, or, oh, this video idea has to hit for 1 million views, bro. No, bro. No, bro. The biggest thing is make some good content, make quality content, and make as much content as you possibly can without draining yourself. Just get in the habit of just picking up your phone. You can even do voiceovers, bro. I can speak to you about that in another video, because voiceovers as a short form content go crazy, like crazy. Like you recording 2 to 3 second clips. At the end of the day, you got about 15 to 30 seconds worth of clips. You can just pile them up, mute them all, and then just talk over it. And you know what I'm saying? Post it on social media, on Instagram, YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Facebook, Snapchat, and people like can get like an insight into like what type of content you make, and you can grow your following that way. It's really, you gotta simplify it, bro. And you also gotta like outweigh the work you have to put in compared to the potential that comes with it, right? So like a lot of people be like, oh, I want to do content, I want to get paid, right? But then other people are like, on one hand you want to get paid, and on another hand it's like, I gotta put the work in. But you're outweighing your, you know what I'm saying, the pros and cons. Like the pros of you doing content is way better than the cons of you not doing it. You know what I'm saying? The benefit you're gonna get from doing it is going to be way better than the work that you have to put in. Like, yes, you have to work hard at anything. Like anything worth having is going to take hard work. Why don't you put it into something that's productive? And why don't you put it into something that can also put people on to other stuff too? Like you can put people in a position, you can teach them something. Like you leave Earth knowing that like you impacted somebody's life in a positive aspect, I feel like you'll leave Earth a happy person. Like, don't just coast through life, bro. People need each other. Humans need each other. And you can have a bigger impact on somebody's life, whether small or large, just by posting content. Good content. So, like, comment, subscribe. I'll be back at y'all with more content because it's a journey. And if you following, you got your post notifications on, you subscribe, you commenting. I appreciate y'all. And yeah, God bless.